Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from eTimes TV.
There is something which I heard Manoj Bajpayee speak, which really resonated with me. That if you know your job well, if you have learned, nothing can deter you. And this is what I keep stressing. आपको सही में कहूँ तो ना वो उस्ताद जब आपको डांटते हैं ना, it is almost like प्रसाद फील्ड. जगजीत सिंह जी हमेशा एक क्वेश्चन सबसे पहले पूछते थे जब वो मुझसे पहले मिले थे. ये आखिरी वन थिंग, बेटा म्यूजिक सीखा आपने, तालीम ली है? वो बहुत important question है.
I would like to take you to the Indian Idol controversy which happened this year in the 13th season, where Amit Kumar came out from the show where he had gone as a special judge and said that he was told that every contestant has to be praised. So I want to ask you, what exactly would you have done if you were in Amit Kumar's place? What exactly is your take on reality shows today? And do you think this is the right way to go ahead?
My Guruji is actually Hariharan ji. I learned from him when I was 13. And he then sent me to Ghulam Mustafa Sahab, these are the two people who are I mean, Shilpa Rao wouldn't exist if it weren't for both of these people. So there was one way I still will stress on this point, that whenever Hariji would sit and do riyaz with me or teach me, whenever I would sing something, he would not say ki ye galat hai. What he would say is, okay, you're singing this, but you need to do this. I was a 13-year-old kid, very easy to get hurt or get too proud of what I do. But the way he taught me, I think एक तरीका भी होता है बोलने का. So of course it doesn't work the same with everybody else. So coming to your question, with reality shows, what these kids, I mean, the last season, I am a big fan of all the kids who were singing there. It was a hard choice to pick. But the only thing I would say is that everyone doesn't have the same goals that someone like you or I would expect out of them. So if someone wants to do music for the fame of it, for the glamour of it, or someone wants to do music for the sheer love of music, because when you're standing on that Indian Idol stage with all those lights and the outfit and the makeup and the hair and the music, things look very different. But when you go to the studio, when you're singing, everything is stripped down. There's nothing else in the studio. It's a very, very difficult.
You're here, and sorry for that, but what you're saying, I got it. But
yeah,
I'm asking you about the judges. ये आप कह रहे हैं कि contestants पे depend करता है कि वो वहाँ पर अपने passion के लिए हैं या to make quick money है, in other words. But वो तो बाद की बात है ना. Contestant तो picture में he walks into the stage after the judges have sat down at their bench. What I want to ask you is that judges को क्या cheerleaders बनना चाहिए? You said that your Guruji used to point out in a certain way. वो ये भी तो नहीं था ना शिल्पा.
You don't exactly. So you don't have.
इसमें सारे सिर्फ
no, you don't have to.
You know, they stand up and they walk towards them. I don't know what gestures they do of appreciation. It would drive anybody, up the chane ka jhaad. What you also said that, I could have got proud at that.
It's very easy to go both ways. Yeah.
So
like I said.
So I want you to first tell me about the judges. We'll come to the contestants.
It works both ways. You can't have a complete answer on one side. It is not on the judge alone, and it's not on the contestants alone. It's a two-way street. For example, अब हरी जी ने मुझे कहा कि ये जो तुम कर रहे हो, ये इसको ऐसे करना है. अगर मैं उस टाइम पे बुरा मान जाऊं और वहां मैं छोड़ दूं, किसका नुकसान होने वाला? मेरा, not Hariji. When I started off singing, there were many people who said you can't do it. I think I've heard more negative stuff and more criticism all my life. But there is something which I heard Manoj Bajpayee speak, which really resonated with me, that if you know your job well, if you have learned, nothing can deter you. And this is what I keep stressing, especially for the contestants. आप music सीख के आइए. मुझे लगता है almost 90 to 95% लोगों ने music ही नहीं सीखा है. जब आप म्यूजिक सीखते हैं, आपको समझ में आता है कि आपके सामने जो कोई आपकी तारीफ कर रहा है या आपको सिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा है, वो आपको डिस्टिंक्शन समझ में आ जाएगा. उसके लिए गुरु के पास, एक उस्ताद के पास जाके सीखना बहुत जरूरी है. It's this question that you've asked me, it cannot be answered in one line.
Okay, let me ask you straight. If you were a judge on a reality show,
yes,
what would you
yes. I will say what you have sung here is something that can be fully done properly.
So you would have said it in a way. You would have said it in a way.
There's a way, because kya hai, I do not want to deter someone who's making progress. I don't want to do that.
So that way was absent. That way was conspicuously absent.
Like I said, Vicky, हर आदमी के बोलने का लहजा बहुत अलग होता है. कभी कभार क्या होता था, like मैं चाहती हूँ हरी जी मुझे डांट के बोले, शिल्पा you are not doing well. आपको सही में कहूँ तो ना, वो उस्ताद जब आपको डांटते हैं ना, it is almost like प्रसाद for you. That is what I am trying to say. But for a person who has not learned music, for many contestants who have not learned music, who have not gone to a guru, they don't know कि सही और गलत जब गुरु कहते हैं तो कैसा लगता है. तो उसके लिए.
So what you are saying is maybe the judges decided to refrain from commenting because they know that these guys are not.
So when someone has not been through a grind of learning music, it is it's a very different way of talking to them.
But Shilpa, many of them.
There's a very different.
But Shilpa, many of them were trained singers.
So for a trained singer,
उनको भी तो
trained singer में मतलब जो सीखते हैं, trained singer मैं नहीं कहूँगी, जो गाना सीख के आ रहे हैं, उनको अगर आप कहेंगे कि बेटा ये जो आपने किया ना, इसको शायद इनफैक्ट आप मत करें, इसको सीधा गाएं, तो I will do that. If I were there, I would have said, बेटा ये जो आप कर रहे हो ना, इसको थोड़ा और साफ कर लें, इससे और आपकी जो गायकी और निखर के आएगी, और इसमें बोलना कुछ बुरी बात नहीं. But the way you say it, it is very important, because जो contestants होते हैं, जो बच्चे होते हैं, उनका दिल बहुत नाजुक होता है. You have to also understand that. You have to not demoralize someone who's making progress, someone who is going home and doing riyaz.
Absolutely.
Or practicing.
Absolutely.
Don't demoralize someone. Yeah. Nothing good will come from it. Yeah. And in the same way, the contestants should also see कि कौन कह रहा है आपको. कोई ऐसा कह रहा है जो असल में उसने म्यूजिक सीखा है, तो अगर उन्होंने कहा तो कुछ सोच के कहा होगा. तो दोनों तरफ से ये important बात है.
I agree. But this is not a chicken and egg argument. The judge came first here, and then the contestant came in. So I still believe
the judge cannot sit without contestants. As much as you want, a guru और शिष्य दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ ही जुड़ते हैं. बिना शिष्य के गुरु नहीं है. हम अगर जज के कुर्सी बैठे अगर कोई आ ही नहीं रहे हैं, तो फिर मैं कैसे करूंगी जज? वो मैं कह रही हूँ. सो एक गुरु और एक शिष्य दोनों साथ में होते हैं, वो एक दूसरे को कंप्लीट करते हैं. और जब हमारे
you are saying something like a film, you know, अगर आप किसी को कास्ट करते हैं हीरो और हीरोइन को, तो पहले उनको थोड़ा 2-4 दिन मिलाओ, एक उनमें अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्रिएट करवाओ, you know, they get to know each other.
So I'm sure
that he's for your welfare.
So I'm sure that there are times when I have met some people, and there was this one kid who asked me, and I mean this was not a show or something. This was just I was at an event, and this kid comes and asks me, how do I become a singer? I said, do you learn music? You should go to a guru first. Talim lijiye, practice kariye. No, I want to sing for films. I said, then I don't have an answer. Because the question that you're asking is a very, very different kind of question. So when I am a judge and when I have someone in front of me, I will have to be very, very cautious. I need to see that person, what is their background, वो कहाँ से सीख के आ रहे हैं. इसलिए जब कोई आते हैं आप उनको पूछते हैं ना कुछ क्वेश्चंस, अच्छा आप अपने बारे में बताइए, आपने म्यूजिक सीखा है. जगजीत सिंह जी हमेशा एक क्वेश्चन सबसे पहले पूछते थे जब वो मुझसे पहले मिले थे. ये आखिरी वन थिंग, बेटा म्यूजिक सीखा आपने, तालीम ली है. वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. उस क्वेश्चन के बाद ही आप उनके साथ में उनको बेटर कर सकते हैं, उनको आप एडवाइस दे सकते हैं. और अगर एक कैमराडरी बैठ गई कि हाँ आप उनको डांट भी सकते हैं, और वो डांट आप जो कंटेस्टेंट है वो आप उसको आप एक प्रसाद की जैसा लेंगे. It depends. You cannot just make a camaraderie overnight. Did I answer your question, Vicky? Did I answer your question? But I am talking to you as this is not such a very simple.
No,
the question you have asked me.
I also came to one conclusion before this, if you remember, that there should be a camaraderie between the judges, which has
it's very important.
Between
yes,
the judges and the
yes, very important.
contestants, which has to be established before you throw them on national television.
Very, very important, because you need to sit with them. You need to sit with them. You need to understand what their mental space is. जब गुरु भी किसी शिष्य को हम हमारे में गंडा बांधते हैं ना, वो गंडा बांधने के लिए बहुत आपको उसके साथ टाइम बिताना पड़ता है. ऐसे किसी को आप शिष्य नहीं रख लेते हैं. और जब गंडा बनता है सबसे ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी गुरु की होती है, मोर देन द शिष्य. शिष्य कैन नॉट गो अस्ट्रे, गुरु की ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हो जाती है. तो इसीलिए अगर मैं जज हूँ, I would want to sit with all the contestants. I would want to know them without the stage, without the makeup, without the hair, without the lights. I would want to sit with them, and I would literally ask them.
Nobody has told us like this.
I need to sit with them. I need to understand. So what are your aspirations? What do you like? Why are you doing this music? Why do you choose to be here and not doing something else? These are very important questions. And I will tell the contestants, you should ask yourself this question every single day of your life. What am I doing here? Why am I doing this? If you don't ask these questions to yourself, there's no meaning to do this. So I feel I come from a background where this has happened with me, with my father, with my Guruji. शायद हम एक घंटे में ना 15 मिनट वो मुझे सिखा रहे हैं, बट 45 मिनट्स वो कह रहे हैं कि इसको कैसे करना है, इसका मेंटल स्टेट क्या होना चाहिए. तो एक आप ये भी देखें कि हार्शनेस से क्या बच्चे का भला हो रहा है क्या, वो भी तो देखना है. सो it all depends on what the person's background is and what you can add to that person. At the end of the day, whatever you say should have a positive progress in the contestant's life. चाहे वो डांट से हो या प्यार से हो. अब वो आपके कैमराडरी पे डिपेंड करता है.